Hello, I'm Nancy from MovinsEdition. I'll introduce a black sneakers item from Brooks in the MovinsEdition series. It's the Brooks Heritage Men's Regent Black Collection product with only one new product from MovinsEdition. Brooks Heritage has brought back another popular model from their past. They recently reintroduced the Brooks Regent that was originally debuted in 1993. The shoe is loaded with technologies from the past like a stylized TPU chevron on the upper, visible heel cushioning, kinetic wedge and more. It was a monumental shoe for Brooks and quickly became a titan in the running world. Brooks Heritage plans on the Regent being a key pillar of their collection going forward. With its great vintage look, solid quality and overall comfortability, it's no wonder why a style from the past meets modern interpretation of the future. Suede synthetic and textile upper materials. Lace-up closure. Lightly padded tongue and collar. Soft, breathable fabric lining offers a great inch of feel. Removable molded foam insole for light underfoot comfort. Synthetic outsole provides reliable grip and traction. The model is made up of various materials and the variety of materials is interesting. This is a new product from MovinsEdition that only has one. Sneakers from Brooks Regent Black. It's the Brooks Heritage Men's Regent Black Collection product with only one new product from MovinsEdition. It's a model that can be stylish. Bye.